Hey dolls, hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Valisa, and on this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my press-on nails, and I'm going to be showing you guys what I use to create my press-on nails. Now, every tools, every jams, all the glitter, little diamonds and stuff like that, I'm going to put the link on the description so you guys can see it, you guys can check it out and whatnot. So, except the glitter, because the glitter I sold that for my kids. Don't let them know. I'm that kind of parent. It's messy. Y'all don't know how to use it. Give it to me. So I like the glitter to use for my nails, and it works wonders. There you go. Those right there. They're from all Dolls. Anyways, I get these little thingings. They're like magnets. Some of them, sometimes those things, it's like a nail holder. They bring this little sticky thing to put the nail, but sometimes they do not. So this particular one, I just use tape. Just grab tape, put a little bit of tape under, and then you stick it in, and that's how you paint your nails. I'll be using nail polish from my collection. You guys can go check it out. Dalisa Cosmetics. I have lipsticks and I have nail polish. So yeah, there you go. This is the tape. See, just tape, fold it really tiny, and put it in there. I don't know why this one did not bring, but sometimes they don't. Sometimes they do bring those little sticky thingies. The one that I have is very small. They also have different sizes. Like I said, I'll put the link on the description. Okay. How did I get into press-on nails? Well, when my little girls, let me take you back to when I was 15, 16. I took a class on how to like pretty much do my own pedicure and manicure type of thing. It's like a small class, nothing like, oh my god, like a nail tech thing. No, it was more like for hygiene. So I learned how to do pedicure and manicure, and then my daughters, they got, as they were growing up, they would look at mom, and obviously they want to get their nails done, right? So anytime they have special occasion or holidays, I would do their nails. I would get them like little kits, and sometimes those little kits, they would bring like little press-on nails for kids with the little sticky thingy. And I would do like little cute press on nails, and I would decorate it, and I would add like little gems and stuff like that, and they would love it. And then I realized that I can do it on myself. So every time they would have special occasion, birthday, weddings, because honestly, as a makeup artist, I don't like, when I do makeup on people, I don't like to have long nails. I just think it's just too much. And especially when you're dealing with people's eyes, I just don't like it. And a lot of things, something that people do not know about me is that I also own a daycare a few years ago. So in my daycare, you cannot have long nails. You cannot even have not even clear nails in my daycare, because I served food for children. So yeah, that's story for another time. But I only use nails for special occasion, for weddings, for events, and when I would do like press conference, stuff like that about makeup and stuff like that, I will have my press-on nails. Now, I learned how to create my own, and it was kind of pretty cool because I can design my own nails. Okay, I can, if I know what outfit I'm wearing, I want to create my nails to match my outfit. So I just started creating my own press-on nails. And I'm not a nail tech, so just give you a heads up, because I know people are going to be judging the way I'm doing my nails. Everybody does things differently. So yeah, if you want to judge, feel free to. That doesn't hurt me. But I have full respect for nail techs. I think they do a great job. Make sure you tip them well, okay? Especially you, they cheap as hell. Make sure you tip your nail tech, because it takes time. It's not easy. And to master, like sometimes my nails can get messed up really easily, just because like adding the gems and the tools, it costs a lot of money. Sometimes you can get stuff for cheap, but sometimes there's other things that cost money, because the gems ain't cheap. But yeah, right now on this part, I'm creating a bridal. I'm creating a bridal set because it's almost wedding season. So like I said, people that mess with food, if you work in the food industry, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, McDonald's, correct me if I'm wrong or right. You're not supposed to wear nail polish. You're not supposed to wear long nails. You're not even supposed to even wear clear nail polish. You're not even supposed to even use that. Girls in military in uniform, you're not even supposed to even wear nail color. You're not supposed to wear reds, purples, greens. You have to wear neutral nail color. So when girls would take off their uniform, you know, on the weekends, Friday night, hey, what's up? We're gonna party. They always ask me to do their press on nails. The good thing about press on nails, it's a temporary thing. You can take it off the next day. It's pretty easy. That's what I love about press on nails. They're temporary. They're not meant to last long terms. And I hear people be like, they don't last long. They're not supposed to meant for last. They're supposed to be temporary. If you want something to last, go to your nail tech, okay? Because there are experts. But girls in uniform, when the weekend comes, they take off their uniform and they go out. And even for trips, like if you go on a trip, you can just take your press on nails with glue, stick it in and look cute and whatnot for pictures and stuff like that. Also for pictures, for photo shoots, I also do press on nails for the models and stuff like that. But yeah, I love how press-ons, you can just decorate them, have them for like one day, and then the next day take it off. If you're not too harsh on your hands, the nails can last you up to like a week and maybe like 3 to 4 days. Depends on how you take care of. If you're gonna be doing dishes by hand, they're not gonna last you. Now, if you have a good glue, the glue that I trust the most is Brush On by Kiss. I'll put the link on the description so you guys can see it. But yeah, they last me. And I fold clothes. Like, I'm a full-time mom and wife. I fold clothes, I do dishes, like I do a lot, and my nails, they do last. But yeah, I love doing press on nails for people, for myself, for even when my girls would have like their friends over and they want to do like their nails, I'll be doing their nails too. But yeah, this is a fun way to create. Like I said, I'm not a nail tech. I just do this for fun. Okay, and then I started doing this for people that cannot have long nails. All right. I hope I can be very helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, for supporting me. Everybody that has been ordering makeup by Dalisa Cosmetics, thank you so much. DalisaCosmetics.com. I have nail polish, I have lip balm, and then I have lipstick. I will have definitely more stuff, but for right now, that's all I have. Stay safe, stay away from crazy people, and on to my next video. Love you guys.